This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds for opening day of the 2022 Florida RV Supershow. We have scooters, wheelchairs, wagons, and strollers for rent right inside the gates. As you come in through the gates, don't forget to stop to register to win. We have 2 grand prize giveaways of camping gear from Kuma. And Winnebago brought multiple handicap-ready RVs. I was driving by and my eye was caught by these ATC toy haulers. They have all aluminum construction and a variety of sizes for every need. This is their 40-foot toy hauler, which has I believe it's a 9-foot garage, but I really like the modern styling of the interior. And speaking of gorgeous modern interiors, check out this Wingham Class B. The exterior is equally eye-catching. RV1 has an amazing selection of Super Cs, Cs, and Class Bs, including this super cool Jayco terrain. The rear bed raises so you can haul all of your toys with you. And the cover has finally been removed from the Winnebago all-electric RV. This is their prototype vehicle that they are just releasing here at the Super Show. There are some gorgeous Tiffins in the Lazy Day display, including this perfect Class C and amazing 4x4 Class B. This is the interior of the Allegro Bay Launch Edition. It really is perfect. The bedroom and bathroom is huge. Grand Design is here with their off-grid Momentum fifth wheel with a Volta power system. This thing is awesome. Features a beautiful modern living area and an optional electric tom car. Travelite RV has some ultralight travel trailers and truck campers. And if you're looking for ultra big instead, Host is here with their triple slide truck camper. It is amazing how huge this trunk camper is. And speaking of ultralight, I love the huge windows and aluminum framing of these Intech Rovers. So you can camp with a view and all of the amenities. And I just love these easy to drive Class A's from Thor. Perfect if you're ready for a Class A lifestyle but don't want to commit to a big rig. Thor is introducing their all-electric prototypes here at the show. And speaking of prototypes, New Camp brought their Barefoot Teardrop, which is getting a ton of attention. This has to be the cutest teardrop ever. And off-road Class Bs are definitely popular at the show this year. We have some park models with some amazing floor plans on display. Look at this beauty. We have over 350 supplier booths in multiple buildings. Shopping for an iconic classic, we have tons of Airstreams here. This is the Airstreams Pottery Barn edition. And tons of gorgeous luxury RVs from Prevost. We have tons of great seminars at the seminar building right by the show off. Schedules available on our webpage. The link will be in the description. The Ember travel trailers definitely keep catching my eye. There's tons of cool RVs at the show this year, from ultra luxurious to ultra tough. It has been an epic opening day at the 2022 Florida RV Supershow. Now this is one of the largest shows in the world, and this is our biggest show yet. So if you're an RVer or into RVing, you do not want to miss this. Every major manufacturer is here. We have multiple new release prototypes. We have 350 suppliers in multiple buildings, so there is something for everyone here. Now the show is open Wednesday through Sunday, January 19th through 23rd. The gates are open Wednesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 9 to 5. There's more information on our webpage, FRVTA.org. Just click on the Super Show link at the top of the page. Now, if you have not already done so, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page, FRVTA, where I will be posting sneak peek and opening day videos on all of our amazing regional multi-dealer shows and our member RV resorts. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day at the show.